What Patrick's mornings are like?
Huh? What? Huh? What's making that noise? Oh, it's you again. Okay, joke's over. All right, you got me. Now cut it out. That's it! Stop your ringing, mister. I'm warning you. Stop it! I said quit it! Huh? And where's it coming from? Make it stop! Buddy, you gotta help me find out where that ringing is coming from! Hey, come back! No, fine! I'll ask someone who cares! SpongeBob, where's the ringing coming from? Breakfast! Food? This is the code. Tartar sauce. I'm out of food again. All I have are these lousy cans with pictures of food on them. I wanted real food, not pictures. Oh, the food is in the can. Okay, come on out. Come on. Oh, yeah. Okay, breakfast, get on the plate. Come on. Nice, comfy plate just for you. Come on. Get on there. Hello? Anybody in there? No answer. I'm coming to rescue you. Having a little trouble reaching you. Those stupid cans. Oh, food. Ah, my favorite time of the day. Breakfast and a little morning television.
And now, live from Bikini Bottom, it's Bikini Bottom Live.
Oh my God! I'm late! I'm late! I'm late! I gotta put on my teeth and brush my pants! Oh! Gary? Pants. A clean mouth is a happy mouth. Darn.
Hey, Patrick, how was your morning?
You know, usual.
Hey, Patrick, how was your morning?